everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to do some product reviews on the items sent to me from Onedaysaving.com. I will go ahead and link the unboxing video that I did for the items that I received up above. Today I am going to be reviewing the stitched oval dies, the Alice in Wonderland wax seal, the wax seal stirrer, as well as the metal pens that I plan on using on the wax seals. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my wax has been melting over here. I have been using my stirring spoon, and the good thing about this is that I took a baby wipe and wiped it and it came right off. I thought I might have to pick it off, but I did not, which is wonderful. Very happy with that so far. And I think we are probably ready to go ahead and see how this wax seal. Let's take a look, slide this over. I think I might use my spoon to make sure I get out all of the wax. This looks like caramel. Here we go. And we're going to let that sit for a minute. All right, are we ready to take a look? Ooh, look at how nice that came out. It made a really good impression. And now I'm going to try using the markers. Don't know if this wax melt is too dark, but we're going to give it a try. Pink. Actually colors really nice. I usually use paint when I do this. This is way easier. I'll try just to do the numbers in the blue. All right, there we go. And that's with the blue marker. I'm impressed. I was hesitant to think that these would work on these wax seals, but look at how nice that actually works. It really makes the image pop. I think it's going to be even better with a lighter color here. Give this another minute to melt. Okay, I think we're all set. I think this is melted enough. Let's go ahead and give this one a pour. All right, let's see how we did. There we go. And let's try coloring this. I'm gonna try this darker one. I'm really happy with these markers. And let's try this light blue. There we go. Don't mind my wonky wax seal. These are great. This is the stitched oval. It's really nice. It has 5 different dies in it. Let's see if I'm in frame. There we go. I did cut this out to see how it cut, and it cuts very well. All of the stitching from the different sizes has punched through, which is really nice. It has a good variety of sizes. The biggest one is about 4 1/4. The smallest one is about 1 1/2. That's a nice die. I did cut some on pattern paper, and I'm going to see about adhering my wax melt to it. Here are my final products for this review. I'm really happy with the wax seal as well as the markers, you can see how much it helps the image on the wax seal pop out. I've also used the stitched here on some pattern paper to make a little embellishment. This is how the pink one turned out. The stirrer easily wiped off the wax with no issues, and this is a really handy tool to have. I usually use a toothpick or a pin, so this is perfect, plus it's adorable. My favorite product out of all the products that I received are these 12 color metal pens. They have this great selection of colors, and they really worked so nicely on the wax seals, even the darker one. That is my review for Onedaysaving.com. The links for all of the products that I reviewed today will be down below. They do have several offers going on right now, which is also linked down below. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye, guys.